What is empiricism? Is knowledge something we are born with, or is it something we gain from the world around us? This question lies at the heart of one of the most important ideas in philosophy, empiricism. Empiricism is the view that all meaningful knowledge comes from experience, especially from our senses. According to empiricists, the human mind is not born filled with ideas. Instead, it begins as a blank slate, and everything we know is written onto it through seeing, hearing, touching, tasting, and observing the world. The roots of empiricism go back to ancient thinkers like Aristotle, but the idea became especially influential in the 17th and 18th centuries. Philosophers such as John Locke, George Berkeley, and David Hume developed empiricism into a powerful theory of knowledge. John Locke famously argued that the mind at birth is a tabula rasa, or blank slate. For him, ideas are formed only after we interact with the world. Empiricism stands in contrast to rationalism, which claims that some knowledge is innate and can be discovered through reason alone. Empiricists strongly disagreed with this. They believed that reason without experience is empty. You cannot understand the world by thinking alone, you must observe it. This way of thinking had a huge impact on the development of modern science. Scientific methods rely on observation, experimentation, and evidence, core principles of empiricism. When scientists test a hypothesis, they don't rely on intuition or tradition. They collect data, run experiments, and draw conclusions based on what they observe. However, empiricism also has its limits. Critics argue that not all knowledge can come purely from experience. Concepts like mathematics, logic, or moral values seem to go beyond what the senses alone can provide. Even so, empiricism remains one of the foundations of how we understand knowledge today. In the end, empiricism reminds us of something simple but powerful. To understand reality, we must first experience it.